How doing risk management supports your operational excellence goals.
Identifying and managing potential risks supports your organizational operational excellence goals in 7 crucial ways. 1. By foreseeing potential disruptions and implementing preventive measures, businesses can ensure that their operations remain stable and reliable. This consistency is key to maintaining high levels of service and product quality. 2. Effective risk management allows companies to allocate resources more efficiently. Planning for risks helps avoid wasteful spending on emergency fixes and enables better budget control. 3. When businesses systematically address risks, they are better positioned to adapt to changes in the marketplace or their operating environment. This adaptability can lead to innovation as companies learn to overcome challenges creatively. 4. Investors, customers, and partners are more likely to trust and engage with a company that demonstrates a proactive approach to managing risks. This confidence can lead to more business opportunities and enhanced growth. 5. By identifying compliance risks and addressing them before they become issues, businesses can avoid legal penalties, fines, or damaging lawsuits that could hurt their reputation and financial status. 6. With a clear understanding of potential risks, you can make more informed decisions about where to invest in growth and how to strategically steer your company. 7. Risk management involves regular evaluation of processes and systems to identify vulnerabilities. This fosters a culture of operational excellence and continuous improvement. To sum up, by effectively managing risks, businesses can not only safeguard against potential threats, but also enhance their operating efficiency, adaptability, and overall competitiveness.
Visit drshrutibhat.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies and free white papers.